Hello students, myself Anurag Tripathi welcoming you in my online classes. Today we are going to discuss the first poem of class 11th. Okay, so first of all you have to see the poem and we will read it, that is composed by Shirley Dawson. Okay, the cardboard shows me how it was when the two girl cousin went paddling, each one holding one of my mother's hand, and see the big girl, some 12 years or so, all three stood still to smile through their hair at the uncle with the camera. A sweet face, my mother's, that was before I was born, and the sea, which appears to have changed less, was their terribly transient face. In the first stanza, the poetess is telling about one cardboard in which he was seeing the two girls who is the cousin, and both are paddling, means playing in a paddle way in the water. Okay, means both of them, each one, the two cousins, girl cousin, were holding the hands of poet's mother. Okay, poet is telling about her mother past. At that time, along with her two cousins who were holding the hands of poetess mother, and see the big girl who is she, poetess mother, who was bigger than the other two, some 12 years or so, means that was the age of poetess mother. Okay, means all three, means poetess mother and other two cousins stood there and smiled through their faces, means there was a smile in their faces. Okay, and their hair is also exhibiting on the photo, on the pic. Okay, at the angles with the camera, especially this is the view when you are going to give a photo, means someone is going to click your photo, naturally you demand to smile something, that's why they are smiling. This type of questions might become, what is the reason of their smiling? Because they have to click. Means these three, poetess mother and her two cousins, were there to stood there to click their photo, to have their photo. There was a sweet face, my mother's. Now poetess is telling that there was a sweet face of her mother, and it was before the situation she was describing in this particular stanza, that was the before the poetess was born. Okay, and the sea. Now the poetess is telling that the sea, which appears to have changed less. Okay, means there was a changing, lot of change occurs in my mother. Okay, but the sea remains changing very less. Okay, and that sea was washing the terrible transient. Here transient means that is for a moment. Okay, that is for a moment. Okay, so in first stanza we find that the poetess was there looking at the cardboard, that is the picture, and where the three persons are who were ready for having their photograph, and the poetess is telling that although the things is going to be changed much, but the sea is remain the same. Okay, now in second stanza, some 20-30 years later, this is the different stages. Another stage, some 20-30 years later, after that 20-30 years later, she would laugh at the snapshot. Means in the first stanza, whatever picture has been discussed, the poet mother was laughing at that snapshot. Okay, and by telling that, see Betty and Dolly. Question might become, who is Betty and Dolly? The two cousins of poetess mother whose name were Betty and Dolly. She would laugh at that snapshot because of their, she would say, and look how they dressed up by their dressing style and on the beach. Okay, means everything is going to be changed. Whatever lifestyle, whatever look we have today, it is not 10-20 years before or 10-20 years after, because everything along with his style is going to be changed. So the poetess mother, when looked at that snapshot, she was laughing ki on the beach how Betty and Dolly is looking, means dressing on their dressing style. Okay, the sea holiday was her past. Now the poetess is telling that that sea holiday was the past of my mother. Okay, mine is her laughter. Now he is telling that whatever laughter that time have in the my mother's face, that is also past for, and both try with the labor ease of loss. Means my mother has lost those fun days which she has spent with her with her cousins, and I have also missed my mother. Okay, now in the last stanza, now she has been dead nearly as many years. Now in the third stage, she was telling that my mother has been dead for many years. As that girl lived, means as that girl lived, and of these circumstances, along with these circumstances, whatever the circumstances we have today, there is nothing to say at all. Means whatever, there is nothing discussion. Means discussion is a two-way process. No one can speak or discuss along. Only you can monologue yourself. Okay, it's silence, silence, silence. Okay, means in this particular poem, we find that the poetess was missing her mother. Okay, this poem describes the three stages. Okay, in the first stages, we see that the photograph shows the poet's mother standing at the beach enjoying a holiday. On the first photo stages, we see the poet's mother was there, who is standing at the beach, who is enjoying the holiday with her two cousins. What are the name of cousins? Betty and Dolly. At that time, she was 12 or so at that time. Okay, in the second stanza or the second stage, we just see that take us 20 or 30 years later. Okay, 20 or 30 years later after that first incident. Okay, the mother would laugh at the way she and her cousins Betty and Dolly were dressed up for the occasion. Means on that occasion, sea holiday, the way Betty and Dolly had were dressed up, means their dressing style make her laugh. Okay, make her laugh. After that, in third stanza or third stage, the poet remembers her mother with a heavy heart. The photograph revives nostalgic feeling of the in the poem. Nostalgic feeling means in the poem we see that she was missing her mother very much. Okay, and she was seeing that both have lost something. Okay, both have lost something. In the means complete poem, we are seeing that there is a three stages of poet's life. Discuss one by one. Okay. In a glance, in the last, I just glance on the poem. In the start, we see that the poet looks at an old photograph. Okay, that is cardboard that is the old photograph. Poet is looking at the old photograph which shows the poet's mother and her two girl cousins. Okay, the poet's mother stood with her two cousins at the sea beach. They had gone there for enjoying a holiday. Okay, means on that sea beach, the three persons are there. They were enjoying a holiday. Okay, at that time the mother was just a girl of 12. Okay, there was uncle also who is capturing the sweet smile and face of the poet's mother and her cousin in a camera. In that camera, he wants to catch the sweet smile and the sweet face of poet's mother. Okay, that was long ago. Whatever the incident is there in the first stanza, that is the long ago, when the poet was not even born. At that time, when her mother was 12, the poet was not born. Okay, after that, 20 or 30 years passed. The mother would laugh at the photograph. In the second stanza, we find on the same photograph, the mother would laugh at the photograph by watching the condition, the dressing style, the dressing sense of cousins, her cousins Betty and Dolly. Okay, that sea holiday had become a thing for the past for the mother. Actually, sea holiday is the matter of past for her mother. Okay, and the mother's sweet smile became thing of past for the poet. Okay, mother's smile is the matter of past for the poets. Means both have lost something. Okay, now in the last stanza, it has been told that the mother has been dead for years. Means उसके मरने के बाद there is nothing but a silence spread all around. In the last, the poet is feeling nostalgic. Whatever the circumstances was there, she was not happy with the same, and that's why she was missing them very much. Okay, so in this particular poem, we see the poet Shirley Tilson is missing her mother very much. Okay, and she took the example of one cardboard, that is the image of her mother. Okay, in the first stanza, she discussed about the way at the time when the pig has been captured by the uncle, and the second stanza, by seeing that snapshot, that made her mother laugh, and the last, there is nothing, the laugh is over, the mother is over, means this thing everywhere is silence. Okay, so in this particular poem, we find that the poet is the relation of daughter and with her mother has been revealed. Okay, the relation between her mother and, okay, and one thing is very important. She means she remains the same, and the sea which appears to have changed less. Means time is very powerful. With the time, everything is going to be changed. But the natural resources like sea, water, that is not going to be changed. Okay, means in this particular poem, this has been discussed. This is the explanation of the poem. I think you understand very well. If you have any problem regarding the understanding of the chapter, you will discuss in the online classes or in various one. Okay, so enough for today. Thank you.